Hello, welcome back to the channel. We've got a new camera, so hopefully these videos should be a little bit clearer and a little bit better. Don't know what the mic's like, but we'll find out. So what we're doing today is at the back of the Jag, here, the lights have broke, so we've got these lights on. This wheel is seized up, the brakes are stuck. So what we're going to do is we're going to whip the wheel off. We're going to hopefully unseize the brakes and get that wheel working like it should. So that's what we're going to do now. We've got the locking nut and we're going to give that a go. So we need to find out what size these wheel nuts are. I hope either one was missing. It's quite small on these, I think. There we go, look at that. 22s. So let's see how easy these come off. It's always the same. We're in a space down here where we've got no pigging room. If we was on the other side, there's loads. Yeah, I'll just take them off first. That was easy, wasn't it? Well, unfortunately the lights from behind because like I say, the lights have just blown out for some reason. That's all them off, so we'll pull this wheel off.
Is there? There's like a little thing right there.
Oh, it's the locking nut, eh? We've got the locking nut one down there, which uses this, which luckily come with the car, else we'd be fighting that to get it off. Like that. Thank you. And there's that one off.
Yay!
We have got a job to do on the other Jag, the Jag XFS, because the front wheel bearing's gone. So we're going to pull this wheel off and then we'll come back to you. Stop. Right, so wheels off.
Ooh.
Here's the disc. Coming close to this, Jackson. The pads don't look too bad. If we look down there, we need a torch. Where's that torch you had?
It's right here.
Oh, perfect. The cameraman knows what he's doing. The pads look pretty good. There and there. So it's just the fact, I think, that the piston might be stuck in the caliper. So we're going to get the caliper off and then we're going to see how easy this moves and how good it is. So I think the first thing to do is unclip this. So we need some pliers or some grips for that, Josh. So we'll get some pliers or grips for that, and then at the back there's some Allen key bolts to take the caliper off. There's little things that come out of it there, look. They come out of there, and there's Allen key bolts in there, so we'll undo them, and that means we can get the caliper carrier off as well. So we'll get the bits we need to do that, and we'll get that done. So try and pull these out the holes. Might be better with a screwdriver. No. Let's try this. Nope. It's having none of it. It's got to come from off there. Right? Oh, that was coming out now.
Yes.
That one's out. That shouldn't be too hard to get out now, Josh. There should be a lot less tension on it. There we go. I'll say there we go, and it's still in. I'll need you to shift the camera out. There we go. That shouldn't be as hard as it was. Don't move about too much. So we've got two Allen key bolts at the back of there, Josh. So grab that blue setting. It should have some Allen key. There should be some Allen key fittings that go on the end of sockets. I'll guarantee we are going to have the right ratchet for it. It's these ones there. So move that way at the light. I don't like now. We've got no light nowhere. I'm probably going to be missing the one we need. Cut it there, Jackson, until we find the right tool.
Okay.
Right. The 2 Allen key bolts at the back here are not 6s and they're not like 8s, they're 7s. All them Imperial, I sure have, but a 7 does he. So we're going to undo these 2. Shining the torch in my face instead of on the thing. I haven't got a socket that fits. Is that the right way? It's that way. Gives a clue. It's that way. So we're going to undo these 2. I'll put you through the misery of watching me undo the entire thing. And then we're going to get the pry bar under here and we're going to pry it off. I'm looking at you like you've got the camera. We're going to get the pry bar. I'm a bit close to this.
Yeah. A bit too
Okay,
close.
turn it off. Alright, we'll try and pry this off here now, so just get it in there. That's it. And down the bottom, yeah. Yes.
Woo.
Okay, so that's off. That ain't as tight as I anticipated. So I'm hoping that it's nothing to do with the actual wheel itself. That seems to turn, don't it? Okay, anyway, it could be the handbrake sticking, you know, because this has got an the handbrake sits in the drum there. See that adjuster? Yeah. That's to adjust the handbrake. We'll inspect that, then we'll come back to you once we've inspected that. So we've moved on to the other side of the car because that side didn't seem to have sticking brakes. They just needed clean up, I think. So we're going to clean the disc on that side. We've moved on to this side. What we can feel and what I can hear, I'm going to sneeze. No way. What we can feel and what I can hear is, if you come close, you might be able to hear this. We've got sort of a knocky noise, and I think that is coming from the bearing in this hub. So we've took the disc off. We get all the caliper and the caliper carry off from this area, and then to get the disc off, you need to just adjust through the hole on the handbrake, and that will move the shoes in, then you can pull the disc off there. So we're going to take this off here, and then we're going to see if we can look in this hub and see if we can find out what's going on with these bearings. So we'll be back soon. Right, so the hub nut is off. ABS sensor's off, but I think I might have broke it because it was stuck. I don't think it's supposed to look like that. The rest of it looks like it's stuck in there. The handbrake and the handbrake cable is free. So now what we've got to do, I believe, is undo this big bolt from under the bottom here. And then once that's undone, the whole hub should come off. And then away we go. That A23 though, smaller. So we've got what on there? What the heck is that? That's an 18. The 19's a little bit loose, but it's all we got. That might not work, is it? Josh, come and hold this socket, will you? So we'll check this off. Just need ages to hold that. Very good feet. Should just put some lubrication on that really. Is it moving around on it or is it okay?
I'm going to stop recording. 3, 2, 1.
I'm not going to actually use my ratchet. Ready? Leave the nut on the end a little bit, then give it a tap. And hopefully that should come out of there. Right there. Now I think all that's holding this on is the drive shaft there. So we'll get the pry bar and pry that out of there. And now we need to get right, welcome back to the channel. What we're doing now is, I don't know whether I'll show you the video before this because it's a bit of a nightmare. but I'm trying to get this hub off the Jag because I can hear a knocking noise. So when the wheel's spinning round, we've got clonk, 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 which I believe is the wheel bearings. It doesn't sound like it's coming from the diff, it sounds like it's coming from the wheel bearings. So I bought this off Amazon, a hub puller, and I'm going to give it a go and see if it'll get it off. It's a pretty beefy bit of kit. You just bolt it onto the studs with the wheel nuts themselves, and then we tighten that up there. What size that is I do not know. Better find out. It's a bigger. This is a very big one. Let's have a look at that. Bigger than that. Okay, it is. It is a 30. So I'll try it with a gun. See what it does. I think that might have broke it free.